I'm so hungry, Dad.
Me too, sweetie.
Sarah, where is my breakfast? I am very hungry. I need my eggs and coffee now.
I am cooking, Mark. I am also ironing your blue shirt. Please wait.
Mom, I need my pink dress. Can you wash it quickly? It only takes 1 minute.
Yes, Sarah. Just put the clothes in the machine. It is very fast. We are in a hurry today.
Just eggs? Only 1 minute? Very fast? Do you think I only press a button and everything is done by magic?
Okay. Don't be angry, Sarah. Take a rest. We can wait 10 minutes for the food.
No, Mark. 10 minutes is not enough. I am done.
What are you doing, Sarah? Why do you have a big blue suitcase?
I am going to Aunt Mary's house. I am leaving for 4 days.
Leaving? But who will wash my pink dress? Who will make my lunch?
You and your dad. Your dad said my job is easy. So, you can do it.
Wait, Sarah, are you serious? I have to go to work.
Take a holiday, Mark. Be the mother for 4 days. Buy the food. Wash the clothes. Clean the floor. Cook the eggs.
Mom, please, I don't know how to cook.
Dad will show you. His job is very hard, so this easy job is nothing for him. Goodbye.
Don't worry, Lily. Mom is just tired. We can do this. It is very easy.
What are we going to do, Dad?
We will have fun. No rules today. We will eat chocolate ice cream for breakfast.
Yay, chocolate ice cream. You are the best, Dad. This is so easy. Dad, look at my socks. They are pink. Why is everything pink?
Oh no! Look at my work shirts. They are not white. They are pink. I put my red hat in the machine. The red color mixed with the white color. Now we only have pink clothes.
I like pink, but I don't want a pink face towel. You are bad at washing clothes, Dad. Dad, my stomach hurts. I am very hungry.
Are you? But we ate breakfast.
We only ate chocolate for breakfast. Chocolate is not real food. I want rice. I want meat.
I cannot cook rice. I will use my phone. I will order a big pizza.
Okay, pizza is fast, but Mom never gives us chocolate for breakfast.
Here is your pizza!
Thank you.
This pizza is very good, Lily.
Yes, Dad, I love the cheese. Dad?
Yes, sweetie?
Can my friends come here this afternoon?
Your friends today? Sure, Mom is not here. We can have fun.
Thank you, Dad. But they are a little noisy. And they make a little mess. Is that okay?
A little mess? That is okay. Cleaning is very easy. I am the boss today. Let him come.
Thank you, Dad. Yay! You are here. Welcome to my house. My mom is away, so we can play all day. Great, let's go!
Here it comes!
Got it!
Whoa! Ah! My blocks! It's going wild!
Ah!
Chaos!
So messy. Oh, Max, you are a very bad cat. Look at this mess. Buck, Ollie, Richie, get that cat. Stop Max.
Max, stop!
Banghead! Grab him! Missed again! Get down!
This way.
Gotcha!
Hold him tight! Oh! Look at the clock! It is 6 o'clock! It is 6 o'clock already! It is very late. My mom is waiting for me. My dad is waiting for dinner. I have to go home.
We are late, guys. My mother will be angry. Let's go.
Yes, sorry, Lily.
But look at the floor! Look at the toys! You said you are my friends!
Sorry, Lily. We want to help, but we are in a hurry.
Our moms will be very angry. We have homework. And we can play basketball another day. Bye. Bye. We are a team, Dad, but they cannot clean.
Team? No, Lily. They are little monsters. And I am the father.
I can manage, but I cannot clean this in 1 minute.
Dad, no more pizza, please. My stomach feels heavy.
But it is easy, Lily. No cooking, no cleaning.
But I am thirsty. And I miss Mom's salad. I miss her soup.
You are right. My stomach feels a little pink too.
Can we cook tomorrow? Real food? Like chicken and carrots?
Okay, tomorrow we go to the supermarket. We will be chefs. No more boxes.
Yay!
Why is this dinosaur here?
I am sorry, Dad. My friends didn't put it in the box.
It is very dangerous. I almost broke my leg.
Mom always puts the dinosaur in the box. Mom checks the floor every night before we sleep.
Yes. Mom always checks. She protects us. She cleans the mess.
I am cold, Dad. I miss Mom. She always kisses me goodnight.
Go to bed, Lily. I will sit here for a minute.
Okay, Dad.
I am tired today. My legs hurt. My head hurts. But Sarah does this every day, every month, every year. She never complains. She wakes up early. She goes to sleep late. I was blind. I only saw my work. I didn't see her love. I miss her smile.
I miss her voice. This house is not a home without her.
Okay, Lily, we are here. Big supermarket. We have a list.
Yes, Dad. We are chefs. What is first?
Number 1, green vegetables. For the soup, let's go to the vegetable section.
Okay, Daddy.
Great! Let's go. Wow, look at all these green vegetables. Cabbage, spinach, broccoli, lettuce.
So many.
Which one does Mom buy?
I don't know.
I don't know, Dad. Mom cuts them into small pieces in the soup. They are just green.
Does she buy the long green one? Or the round green one?
I think she buys the one that looks like a small tree.
Broccoli. Okay, small trees. Put 3 broccoli in the cart. Number 2, chicken. We need chicken for dinner.
Here is the chicken, Dad, in the yellow box.
Wait, Lily, there are chicken legs. There is a whole chicken, there is chicken breast. Cooking is like a puzzle. Which chicken is for our soup?
Mom buys the soft chicken, no bones. I don't like bones.
Okay, soft chicken, no bones. Put in the cart.
Dad! Look, the giant chocolate cake. Can we buy it? Please, please, please.
No, Lily. Remember last night? Our stomachs were heavy. We had too much pizza and chocolate. We need real food today.
But Mom always buys me a small chocolate bar on Friday. Today is Friday.
She does?
Yes. A small reward for my good homework.
Wow. Mom remembers everything. I don't even remember what day it is today. Okay, Lily. 1 small chocolate bar.
Because you are a good helper.
Yay! Thank you, Dad.
Okay. We have the chicken, we have the vegetables, we have soap, we are ready.
Is cooking easy, Dad?
We have the food, Lily. We just put everything in a pot with hot water, right? It is very fast.
I am hungry. Let's go home and cook.
Okay, Lily, we are ready. First, we cut the chicken. Then, we cut the broccoli.
Dad, the broccoli is very hard. Be careful with your fingers.
It is easy. That's okay. Now we put everything in the hot water.
Dad, the water is jumping. The pot is too hot.
Whoa! Turn it down! Turn the fire down! Whew! Okay, the soup is cooking.
But Dad, the soup is very thin. It looks like water. Mom's soup is thick. And I want bread. We need bread with soup.
Bread? Okay. We have a big bag of white flour. Let's make bread. It is just flour and water, very fast.
Really? Just that?
Yes, it's easy.
Okay. Dad, I can't see you. It is snowing in the kitchen.
I pulled too hard. The flour is everywhere.
We look like white ghosts. The table is white. The chicken is white. Everything is white.
Oh no, Lily. This is bad. This is very bad. I need to clean the floor. The floor is full of white flour.
Okay, Dad. Dad, look, bubbles, big bubbles.
Oh no! I used the dish soap, not the floor soap!
Dad, the floor is very slippery. I can't walk. Whoa!
Ouch! My back!
I don't like cooking, Dad. My clothes are wet. My hair is white. I am hungry. And the soup smells like burning.
Oh no! The soup is burning.
It is not easy.
What is not easy, Dad?
Cooking is not easy. Cleaning is not easy. Being a mother is not easy. It is the hardest job in the world. And I said it was magic. I was a fool.
What do we do now? The kitchen is a disaster.
We don't clean it. We can't clean it. We are going to the car.
Where are we going?
We are going to Aunt Mary's house. We need to find Mom. We need to say sorry. Right now.
Sarah, hello.
Mark, Lily, what happened? Are you white ghosts?
Mom, we are sorry. The house is very messy.
Yes, Sarah. It is very difficult. We have no mom. We have a lot of toys, a lot of friends, and broken glass.
What did you do?
We ate a lot of pizza.
And we had a little party. Lily's friends came. 4 friends.
We played a lot of games.
And I broke your vase. The vase with the daisies. I am very sorry, Mom.
Sarah, you are right. Your job is not easy. Cleaning is hard. Cooking is hard. We understand now. You have mom magic.
Yes, Mom, you are magic. We want you home.
We promise to help. Lily can clean her toys. I can help with cooking. We can be a good team.
Okay, Mark. Okay, Lily. I am happy now. Let's go home. I love my family.
Yay, Mom is home. I love you, Mom.
We love you, Sarah.
There. Your hair is soft and beautiful again, Lily.
Thank you, Mom. I feel like a princess now. No more flour. No more bubbles.
And the house smells like lemons again. It is wonderful.
So, do you still think it is magic, Mark?
No, it is not magic. I see it now. It is your hard work. It is your love.
We are a team now, right, Mom?
Yes, a very good team.
I love you both. Let's have a happy dinner together.